In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best target discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for target discount codes. Right here, select this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com, and you'll have to open it. And as you can see, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 25% off, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code. I can copy it right here and use it on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, there is another website which is called marieclary.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some discount codes. For example, I have this one with 25% right here. All I have to do is select get code. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.